Welcome to Vanguard Hive. Forget about slow, fragmented creative processes. Don't think of us as just a tool. Think of us as your own world-class advertising agency that lives right in your browser. I'm Alex, your account manager. And even though I'm an AI, my job is purely human, understanding your vision. Here, you don't fill out boring forms. Here, we talk. You tell me your goals, your business, your dreams, and I translate them into an ironclad creative brief. Nothing moves forward without your yes. You are the director of this orchestra. The moment you approve the brief, I activate the specialists. And believe me, they are the best in the game. First up is Chloe, our creative strategist. She doesn't guess, she analyzes. Chloe takes my brief and designs the why and the how. She defines the key messages and finds that strategic angle your competitors haven't seen yet. With the strategy set, I hand the baton to Arthur, our creative director. Arthur is the visionary. He takes Chloe's logic and turns it into magic. This is where the big ideas and disruptive concepts that will make your brand stand out are born. And then, we execute. Charlie, our copywriter, sharpens every word to persuade your audience using proven direct response principles, while Violet, our art director, defines the visual universe, crafting the perfect prompts so every image has flawless aesthetics. Something not quite right? No problem. You have total control. Ask us for a quick change in the chat, or use iterate mode to refine an entire phase. Your feedback makes us smarter instantly. In the end, I come back to ensure everything is perfect. I run quality assurance and package your team's entire work into a professional deliverable ready to launch. Strategy, creativity, copy, and art. All aligned, all ready. This is Vanguard Hive. Your vision, our team. Let's create something amazing.